Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's me, Austin here, producer Railfanning Productions. First and foremost, happy late Merry Christmas. So, for those of you that were unaware, I have ordered myself a brand new radio. It's called the Yaesu FT-4XR, which is right here. Now you might be wondering, why did I have to buy a new radio? Well, my old Baofeng UV5R Plus that Joey gave me, apparently I suffered a mishap where when I was at Collier Yard, I accidentally dropped it in a puddle and the speaker has stopped working. And I bought that for about 15 bucks from my buddy Joey. So let's hold on just a minute. I gotta get myself hold on a minute. I gotta get myself a pen to open the box. Okay. Sure, I may not even need scissors to be able to open this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is a Yaesu FT-4X, as you can see. So let's see what the contents are in the box. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so right off the bat, it has an instruction manual as well as a lithium-ion battery, which is rated at 1,750 milliamps. And then, obviously, you have the instruction manual. Holy crap, this thing is small. Very small radio indeed. It's actually much smaller than I expected. Okay, so this is an international plug, but I won't be using that because I won't be traveling outside the country. But thankfully it does come with a US plug, so I don't have to get an adapter for it. And then here is the charger where you hook up the radio to charge it. And then you have the belt clip. I'm probably going to have to install that when I'm out railfanning. And then, the moment that you all have been waiting for, the radio. I tell you what, I mean, I know that the video doesn't do any justice, but this thing is very small. Now, one of the cool things about this radio that it offers is the fact that it's multi-band, which means I can listen to multiple channels at once. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where the antenna is. Do I have to buy one? Okay, well, it should come with an antenna. I don't see anything in here. Okay, well, we'll get back to that. Oh, wait. Here's the antenna. Okay. Now, I do have plans to order a radio-tuned whip antenna from Diamond or Nicoya. So I guess we'll go ahead and assemble this now. Now my buddy Joey has bought the same radio, though he accidentally dropped his in a puddle and it hasn't been able to function since. So I guess we'll go ahead and take the protective screen protector. Okay, so the only thing that I'll have to do now is to install the battery, which is right here. So like I said, this is a 7.4 volts, 1,750 milliamp hour single cell battery pack. Now, oddly enough, my Yaesu FT-4XR comes with a nickel hydride battery pack. Alright. It's also worth noting that, I don't know if you can see that, I'm trying to... I don't think you're going to be able to see that, but I have noticed... well, why am I not getting any sound? I guess it doesn't have any sound. Okay, never mind, it does. Okay. Now, I would like to mention that the PTT button is locked, meaning that you cannot transmit to the railroads. And like I mentioned in previous videos, if you get caught, you can have a slew of federal charges being put against you, and the feds could come after you if you accidentally press that button. I just cannot get over of how small this radio is. I mean, it is, I say it's about the same size as my UV5R Plus. But, hold on just a minute. I'm going to go and give you a size comparison. Between my FT-4XR and the FT-4X. So as you can see, there is a noticeable change between both of these radios. But I will say that this is a really, really nice radio. Now, I don't know when I'm going to be going railfanning again. But I do have plans to take this with me to see how well it performs in terms of getting better reception. Actually, one thing I kind of like about it is the fact that the keyboard lights up for nighttime railfanning if I'm ever out there. But yeah, anyway, so this is the unboxing of the Yaesu FT-4X. I thank you all for watching. And of course, once I get an aftermarket whip antenna to get better reception, either from Diamond or Nicoya, I'll be sure to be doing an unboxing video on that. But anyways, this is me, Austin, here for Just the Railfanning Productions, out.